Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nicolas Delafray. I am a photographer and I'm based in Budapest, Hungary. I'm gonna do a product review of the new tripod I just bought. It's a Manfrotto 290 dual and it's got a 3D head mounted on it. I have another Manfrotto tripod, that's the one I'm using right now to film this video. It turned out that I was doing a product shoot and I needed a second tripod. And I bought this Manfrotto 290 dual. You can see it right here. I'm gonna do a review showing you what are the features of this product, what I like about it, and what I don't like. This video is not sponsored by Manfrotto. It will be my pure and honest opinion about this product. It is quite a heavy tripod. It weighs 3.5 kg with the head. These versatile plates are very useful because you can use it on this head and then switch to another head without removing the plate on your camera. Once folded, it is 74 cm long. There's only 2 telescopic sections per leg. The lock is pretty strong and sturdy. It has a rubber grip on one of his legs. A simple lock helps you to adjust the angle of the legs. I really like that we can put the central column to 90 degrees. This allows to not have the tripod in view when you take a photo of something that is on the ground. This is something I had trouble with other tripods. On the 3D head you will find different degree marks. This can be very helpful when you want to be very precise. I actually appreciate that because sometimes you want to keep track from one shoot to another exactly how much degree you're moving your head. And this can be very practical to put back exactly the camera in the position you desired. The vertical axe has a spring on it and will go back in place pretty easily. The part controlling the lateral movement has also a degree written on it, from 0 to 90 and 0 to 30. The handles are covered with a nice rubber that allowed a firm grip. The handles are telescopic. You can just increase their dimension by just pulling them. This will be needed to adjust the head to 90 degrees and 30 degrees. Once all in place and locked, this head is very strong and sturdy. Nothing is gonna move. The plate on which you mount your camera is very well secured. You can release the plate this way. There is a little lock that allowed to secure the plate once your camera is mounted on it. Put back the plate and tighten it up. You will find a level next to the plate. Now let's go out and see how it performs. I very much like that there is only 2 telescopic parts on each leg. Sometimes on a shoot you need to lower your tripod or increase the dimension, and having only 2 parts really speed up this process. This head is very suitable for product photographer, landscape photographer, and architect photographer from my viewpoint, because you need to take your time to really set your camera in the position you want. For a portrait photographer or a street photographer, this is not what I will use, because the 3-axis doesn't allow you to change very rapidly the position of your camera. When the conditions change rapidly and you want to take the shot, that's not the type of head that you need. It's too slow to adjust all 3 handles. I didn't find anything I don't like about this tripod. The head worked out pretty well for me, because I'm doing product photography and I like to keep track the angle of my camera. Sometimes happen that I have to reshoot something, and to keep consistency, I can just set the camera at the same angle, and the measurement helped me exactly to do that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you to decide if this tripod is good for you or not. I actually enjoy making it. Please put the comment below. I would love to know what you think about it. And if you like this video, put a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, put a thumb down. At least I will know. You can subscribe to this channel. More video will come out. Thank you for watching, and see you another time.